So this is the toppings, right? Or this is the crowning of this expose, because that's what we call that video, the expose, because we are tapping to a lot of these celebrities and, you know, big people for sure. So remember a who show no, and send on our street, but I talk about my performance at the Apollo, Zippy performance at the Apollo. But then I was remiss because I never remember for sure we don't know the Q Club saga. Because, you know, I happen to have won the talent competition at the Q Club in Greece. Everybody know the Q Club, the world famous Q Club. So just like how I talk about the world famous Apollo, we have to go in at the ghetto because I ghetto superstar thing, Q Club, you know, South Jamaica, Queens, right? Everybody know the Q Club. So I entered the talent competition at Q Club, and that night, there was a night, I mean, DJ Roy, Twin Tom, you know, and all of them might recall this because of them put it on. And it was a up and down, you know, never knew it was gonna go. So I was there and I had the last one on the line for perform, you know. And guess what? There was a girl before me would go up there for DJ, you know. I don't know where a youth say or do to her in the audience right before, and she go and spit in that face, you know. Pandemonium in the Q Club, you know. Pandemonium, bad, you know. Security dog everywhere. You know, up at the front for all like the people them and thing, but the people them, you know, from the middle to the back, nobody move. I mean, if we go on next no Rasta. I said, John, everybody have them drink a beat, and so DJ Roy go up there, you know, after them quiet it down, maybe an hour or so, and ask them if they want the show for continue or they want to kill the show or go to music. And everybody said, no, continue the show. And I'm on next, you know. And Twin Thomas said, Zippy, you sure you want to go on in this? Zippy, I say, yeah, man, maybe me are the best one for calm the people them down. You know what I say? Because, you know, everybody uptight now and very, although them under them liquor. So I said, Zippy, what you have to do? So when them call me up and me run up, me say, first of all, I don't spit for nobody and nobody can pit for me about my clothes. Everybody start laugh. I say, all right. Because I see that first laugh there, you get everybody know shuffle. You can even fit more people in the club now. Everybody loosen up. You know, them are going on, me set and you see at the end of the night, everybody in a Q Club vote for you. Everybody. Because me ease them tension and thing and them laugh. And I have them laughing. Zippy gonna win the talent competition at Q Club. Ask DJ Roy Twin Tom about that night there. Make it true. And there's some other things in there where we make the idol laugh and stuff. Oh, me get out of that. Because them give me some part of the winnings, some dollars, right? Real cash, and they give it to me on stage in front of everybody in a Q Club. How me get out of that? I have to read the book and find out. When I go out, I do about 5 man stand up on the wall and wait for me. And I pass them and them no see him. Last year I know. Yeah man, I have to put that. That's the crowning. Yeah, big up the days of Q Clubs and the memory. Everybody see this, remember how nice Q Club is, you know?
Yeah, man, if you know Q Club, right? When Q Club rap, you have to put the people them from downstairs. When upstairs rap, them up the door downstairs too. And start watching from downstairs. That means that downstairs and upstairs rap.
The opportunity I had to be an MC and a comedian at the time. I get to mix with the comedian and the MC. I get to mix with the artist. And we can go to dance. Well, we mention some, right? So like, for example, artists like Buju Banton. The first time Buju Banton come to New York, right? He performed 3 shows. One at Biltmore on Church Avenue in Brooklyn, one in Paterson, New Jersey, and one in Connecticut at the West Indian Club. I MC the one in Jersey and the one in Connecticut. Pat McKay did the one in at Biltmore. So then Buju's first Ore here in New York, I was involved in that, right? I got the job to MC that show. Like I said, that's my forte, and everybody know when me MC a show, if upcoming artists they decide or they ask me, me usually after intermission give them a few minutes, and that's why I could say no, and it might not be 100% accurate, saying, but most of the DJ them, right? We bust a New York, a Zippy gun, shoot them and send them astray. So what I deal with? I have a hand in that because I have the tendency of giving artists, upcoming artists, you know, the chatter phone for them to be seen and heard, and a lot of them, even Shaggy, and I can't say them things, yeah, right?
So did you...
Screech Dan was who teach Shaggy for ride rhythm and them thing. Him tell me that himself, straight up. All them artists, Mikey, Red Fox, Mikey Fungus, Mikey Mercan, Badger Jed, Mr. Easy.
Gary.
Oh? Well, R&B, well, we'll get to that still. I don't want to cut out, right?
So did you become well known for giving artists, did they seek you out because they know that if Zippy Gang is hosting, chances are they'll get an opportunity to go on stage? After a while, did artists start to seek it, or newcomers start to seek you out to get exposure or to be featured?
Yeah, that's a open question that I wouldn't have a specific answer for, because I wasn't doing it to be known as the one who. I was doing it because I think it was the best thing for artists, and it was part of my philosophy. So whenever I MC any show, the upcoming artists, them are what we call local artists, stand up at the side of the stage, because them know, say, after intermission, might pass, and one do it and another him call up on him friend, and then pass the mic and him call up on him friend, and that's how if you remember, there was a time now when artists they on stage in a group and them just pass the mic to each other. That came out of my times and years MCing show and passing the mic.
Okay.
So one artist DJ and him call up him brethren, because them in a crew like Shaggy. Shaggy was in a crew, right? Shaggy, right? Screechy Dan, Red Fox, Mr. Easy, someone them. They had a crew. Only for the New York DJ, them had a crew, Seeing? So that's how that happened. So it was my philosophy. So I can't say that, that's an open-end question. So I can't say I was known for that. But
So
that's
before
what
you
I
call
do,
up most of these artists in these shows, you must have previous knowledge of their artistic works that they've been doing, and now you see them there, and it's an opportunity for you. And you were supposed
Not
to be
exactly like that, Natty. Is that in New York, or even an MC or a host of a show is who keep the tone and tenor of the show, right? Keep the rhythm and the tone and tenor of the show. You know what I say? And make it happen or it flop. You have to keep the tone and tenor.
Right.
So it's not like say me know of them, but because I MC a lot of shows, those artists are all of these shows, and you might see them perform before, or you might MC a show that they were booked for. You see, they might not be booked for this show, but them come at the show because they want to hold off of the mic, so they all come and stand up at the side of the stage, where all of the artists them stand.
Yeah, and you know their previous works.
Yeah, you know them. And you know them on the circuit also. And you know on the circuit also. So a promoter I can't tell me so I can't put on them artists there because I are the host. So I run the tone and tenor of the show. Him can't tell me say after intermission I can't put up them people there to hold some time. You understand? Before I call on the main artist them. See? Because after intermission, people go to the bathroom, go get something to drink, and come back. You can't just bring on big artists right away. You have to get them back in the groove. So you put on some of the local artists them for warm up back the crowd. So you have to know your stage and you have to know your craft. So I saw me pass the mic to young artists or upcoming artists